In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use calculated fields in Google Sheets pivot tables. Whether you're an Excel pro making a transition to Google Sheets or just looking to boost your productivity, mastering calculated fields can significantly enhance the way you analyze data. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First, go ahead and open up a Google Sheet either from your Google Drive or simply by creating a new sheet. This is your starting point for all your data manipulation adventures in Google Sheets. Once you've done that, you'll need to highlight the range of cells from A1 to B29. This selection forms the basis for your pivot table and includes all the data you intend to analyze or summarize. A helpful tip here: if you have headers in your data range, be sure to include them as they'll make creating your pivot table a more organized process. Now, move over to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where you'll find the option to create a pivot table. It acts as a powerful tool for summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting large datasets by reorganizing and defining different views of it. You'll directly click Pivot Table from the drop-down menu. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Typically, setting it on a new sheet helps keep your workspace clean and organized. Hit Create to form your pivot table. Once your pivot table appears, you'll need to configure it. In the Rows section of the Pivot Table Editor, select Offer. This action will categorize your data by the various offers you've entered. Adding categorical information in rows provides a concise breakdown by the categories you're interested in analyzing. Next, you'll repeat the selection of Offer for the rows again. This redundancy ensures any potential oversight is covered when delving deeper into your data's granularity. In the Columns area, select YRs of work experience, which sets up your data to reflect different work experience ranges as columns. This format works excellently for comparing offers across various experience levels. You're nearly there. Click on Add in the editor, and for the Values section, select Offer. This inclusion into the Values section tells the pivot table to display specific data you're focusing on. In this case, how offers vary according to experience. Finally, it's time to apply a filter. Navigate to the Filters section and select YRs of work experience once again. Using filters like this will help you further refine your data, allowing you to focus on particular subsets of the data according to your current analytical needs. And there you have it, an easy yet comprehensive approach to using calculated fields in Google Sheets pivot tables. By incorporating these steps into your workflow, you'll be able to generate valuable insights from your data efficiently. Thanks for joining today, and don't forget to explore Google Sheets further to uncover its full potential.